Hi everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have an unboxing here for you. And if you have been following me here on my channel, you probably already know that I am into traveler's notebooks, journaling. And since I have discovered Websters Pages about a couple of years ago, I have been hooked. And whether I purchase them online at their website directly at Websters Pages or Blitsy, I share them here and I do a kind of haul. Occasionally, Websters Pages would host some kind of flash sales, and this time I really got lucky. They had a 3-day flash sale, $15 for all of their planners, okay? And then there are items that are even that I got good deal on that are cheaper, and I'm going to be showing them to you. And stick around because I will have a giveaway. I gotta tell you, I ripped some of the wraps already because I got pretty excited and my daughter wanted to see some of the notebooks that she has ordered, and I told her I'm gonna unbox them, so here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the inserts. So this one, look at the stickers. They are called #quick picks, and these are the unique values picked for you. Okay, so I never had this before. I've never seen this before. It shows to tell you that I haven't been on their site quite often. But what they do is they pick some items and then put them together, and then they offer them at low cost. So for example, they have this a set of 3 sets because they come in 2s. Okay, originally I think if you purchase them separately it's $7.99 each. So I got this 3 for only $10. Okay, so that's really a good deal. I can make my own insert, so that's why I don't really buy a lot of inserts, only when the deal is pretty good, and if the feel of the cover is velvety and the pages are thick, so you don't see a lot of bleed through. So this is just, one is just lined and the other one is blank on this style. Let me see. I don't know if they're all the same, because sometimes they have dot grid or calendars already. Oh, this one is one with the grid and a line. So, and then this other one is lined, and this one is also a grid. I have here a set of composition notebook inserts. This set is for $20. It's probably a little pricey, but if you think about it, it's $5 each, and it is not the same quality as that you see at Dollar Tree, which is $1, right? This one is different. This is a lot thicker, so there'll be no bleed through. So this one is blank, as you can see here. This style, I like the style a lot here. Okay, flowers, and I don't know how many pages they have. Let me see if they have it here. No, they don't. But I like this style also with the cabbage roses. This is the dot grid, and the dots are huge. Okay, so if you are into bujo or bullet journal, this will be good. And in creating your own bullet journal, if you want it bigger than the standard size of bullet journal. And I think this one, calendar or planner. Yeah, this one has this is more like a date book. So you could start at any day, and then you just circle the day of the week here, and you can decorate it. If you are into stickers or layouts, planner stickers, you can use this as well. And I like that this has some gold foil hearts over this cream colored or taupey colored, very pale taupe colored backdrop, or kind of champagne actually rather than taupe. And then at the back is more white, and then there's the word love in kind of champagne color too. And then this one, just start. This is, I think, the one that's also a date book or a planner. And I know my daughter uses Molang for her planner stuff, but I think this one would be a good thing for her as well. So this one has a monthly, she will just put the dates, and then there is a weekly, And then of course she can insert anything that she would do on a day-to-day basis. Okay, and if you could see the layout here, let me just show you first in the beginning here. So this is the month spread, and it starts with a Monday, ends with a Sunday. So they put the weekends together for the monthly. The thing is, they seem to have put all the months together and then they separated the weeks. Okay, so I don't know if there's enough here for the whole year. Okay, and then probably what I'm gonna have her do, or if I'm gonna use it myself, I'm gonna have some kind of a page marker, like a ribbon, so that I can already put it on the current month and then the current week. So the week here starts also on a Monday, ends on a per page on the left and the right, and ends on a Sunday, and they put together the weekend as well. So I like that the sizes of the boxes are huge. And that's the reason why probably I like this size a lot. And this is how it came in, and these are the same. So I ordered one set for her and one set for me. Okay, so let's go now to the notebook covers. I'm not too thrilled that this came in just wrapped in this. I cannot complain because they were on sale, but of course I'd rather that they came in a box, and I'll show you with the others, they're sealed in a box. But this one came wrapped with this craft paper. Because you know what I do, I collect them and I protect them and I put them back in the box. That's why I wasn't so happy when this one came without the box. So I'm probably going to email them and ask them for that, although, you know, it was on sale. But I like that this one is, what is this, ivory, and then there are some dotted gold foils on it, and then there's this hello, this is a plastic cover, and then the inside is white with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets here, and one is clear where you could put probably an identification. What I do here is I put a journaling card sometimes, I decorate it, and then I put some decorative clips here and some of my paper clips that I DIY. And then this one is another pocket here where you can put receipts. Then this one as well, there's another pocket here. And this is standard for all of their composition notebook cover. It comes with a composition notebook. And this is the lined one. It's a secretarial pocket here. And then 2 more pockets where you can put receipts, paperwork. I like that the color here, favorite color of mine, is like seafoam green or teal. Yeah, this is how that's why I like the box. Look, sturdy. It comes with a shrink wrap here. Let me just open that. Now here's the other one, and look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this color a lot. And inside, it's like the reverse of what I showed you here. Same notebook. This is the standard notebook that they give you. So the opposite of this, the inside is, this is white and this is this color, kind of like teal or turquoise. Same thing with the number of pockets. And oh, by the way, before I forget, they always have this tag. Comes with a tag, and this one is gold chain. This one says choose happy. You can see, you can barely see it, but this is kind of like embossed in it. And yeah, so then there's a pen loop here, which is an elastic one. Again, I got it for $15. Normally it will cost, I think, 38 to 45 bucks, and I got it for $15. See, I'm trying to put it in the box that it doesn't have. But here, this one is also gold chain, and the word here is happiness. Okay, it's about happiness. So if you could see even the buttons here, you could see there's some kind of silver with gold, and then this one is the color of the leather and gold. And there's a gold foil heart here. Isn't that cute? Love it. Now I got another one. It comes with this, right? This is another paper that I always keep. So I keep it in the box with the item. And look at this. Oh, what? Light pink, blush, then it's two-tone. It's white here, and look at this heart. It's not solid gold like the other one. Let me show it to you. And this one, again, the button will be the same color as the leather. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so the contrast is the white and this pink. Gold chain again. Let's see what it says. Pure Happy. Before I forget, I haven't been showing you the spine. Look at the spine. It has WP there in gold foil, and there's Websters Pages in gold foil and the website. Very subtle, but very classy. And this is not real leather, it's vegan leather. So those are the composition notebook size covers. So let me just show you what else. I didn't get the classics because again, I have enough classics, but I bought the pocket size. So these are the pocket size. There are 3 here for $15 each. Yeah, they're the same, but originally this would have been, I think, either 25 or 32. Oh, I love this a lot. And this one, oh my goodness, this one says be beautiful. Oh, I love it. See, so kind of like two-tone there, black and very, very dark grayish black or whatever. And then there's still a pen loop, small insert, like a craft paper cover or craft cardstock. There's a small secretarial pocket here, another pocket here for receipts, and then maybe here for identification or card. Here also another pocket here, and another deeper pocket there, and a pen loop. I like the cabbage roses and the peony here, so it's really pretty, very spring or even summer. Okay, so that's $15 also. And then here's another one here. Okay, this one is, oh wow, this is the velvet style. Never had a velvet style before. I actually wanted the one that's pink, but they ran out. This says Discover. I like that they put a protection here. And of course there's a pen loop. Let me show you. Again, this is the standard insert that they have. Oh, by the way, they do have elastics, 4 elastics in each. So you can put minimum of 4 inserts, but if you want to do try to expand it to make it chunkier, you can actually put another band here and then insert some more until you get probably 8 or more. You don't want to overcrowd it too. But yeah, look at this WP here, and it's velvety soft. So I like that. I'm gonna put it here. And then this is the last one. Okay, this one. Oh, I love this, the beehive style. Look at this. Isn't that cute? It has the rose gold effect or copper colored. And then look at the contrast with this mint green band. And then it says here, inspire. I like the word inspire on it. And then look at this. Pen loop again, same standard thing. And then this is also in mint color with this kind of leather, brown leather color here. Ooh, love this one too. And I have some tutorials on how to make those inserts, and I do plan to create some more, film some more DIYs and share it here. I know some of you found my channel through my journaling days and my traveler's notebook DIYs or journaling DIYs. Okay, so that's it, folks. I think I didn't overspend there with a $15 flash sale. Again, all of those individually are $15, which is a really great deal if you think about it, when the original price of this one I think is 28 or I don't know, 25 or 28, and then the biggest ones are 40, 45. So I will try to watch out for those again, and subscribe or follow me, like my Facebook page, because that's where I kind of share some of the things that I cannot share here easily. Subscribe and then click that bell, okay? And yeah, leave me some comments. I like interacting with you in our comment section. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you again on my next video. God bless. Bye-bye.